So we're doing a couple different kinds of measures here. I'm separating them into sort of daily measures that we're doing every morning and rest day measures that we're doing more intermittently when we take a rest day on the way up. And so the daily measures are simple things like the carbon dioxide that you breathe out, which is affected by when you breathe more, you have less carbon dioxide in your blood. The oxygen levels in your blood as well, we call that oxygen saturation, respiratory rate, heart rate, blood pressure. We're also looking at hemoglobin, which is the protein that carries oxygen in the blood, and hematocrit, which is the ratio of red blood cells to total blood volume. All of these things are going to change, and they're going to interact with each other as we ascend and as we descend again. And so some of these responses will be augmented, and that will relate to how well people do as we ascend higher and higher. On the rest day measures, we're asking maybe some more sophisticated questions around things like heart rate variability, maybe an esoteric question around breath hold duration, and also ways of testing what we call the hypoxic ventilatory response. So if I was to give you low oxygen to breathe in the lab, you breathe more. Now that response actually augments as you ascend, and that should protect you at least somewhat against being hypoxic and getting sick. And so we're looking for maybe more feasible and portable ways of testing some of these various variables and how they relate to acute mountain sickness, oxygen status, and ultimately how people do as they ascend.